Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. If you're not a member of my channel and you like what you see, enjoyed my videos, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you won't miss out on any future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. So in today's video, I'm participating in the Copper and Crystal Christmas Tablescape collab hosted by 6 amazing and talented women, styling with Stacy, Queen of DIY, Monica Monet Collection, It's Just Me Robin, Level of Style, and Creatively Miss Me. Please head over to these ladies' channels. They have amazing contents to share. For today's collab, the rules was to style a tablescape using copper and crystal, must not include Santa Claus, and must include 2 copper ornaments. So for my tablescape, I used a lot of copper, but I wanted to break it up with the silver metal and the color black. So for my centerpiece, I used 4 16 by 16 mirrors, and on top of that, I used 5 copper frames from Dollar Tree. The tier tray, the candle holders are from Ross. The ornaments on the runner are from Dollar General as well as Dollar Tree. The copper ornament that was originally galvanized, I DIY'd that, painted that one copper. For my tableware, I used a rose gold placemat from Burlington, copper glass charger plates, which I had already, black and white dinner plates, and the rose gold napkin rings are from Hobby Lobby. For my drinkware, I DIY'd the rose gold stem wine glass, and the martini glass were thrifted. My flatwares are from Walmart. My dinner napkins are from CV Linen. Also with my dinnerware, I included the black mugs, and those are from Dollar Tree. So 4 of my place settings are the same. For my head tables, they're slightly different. The placemats, the chargers, the dinner place, napkin, and the napkin rings are all the same. The flatwares are all the same, with the exception of the mugs. The mugs were purchased from Hobby Lobby, and those are rose gold with the gold handle. And on the other side, for my drinkware, I also DIY'd the rose gold stem wine glass, added a crushed glass to that, just experimenting, and spray painted that rose gold. And the martini glass were also thrifted. Also for my centerpiece, I included some pine cones, which I took from a wreath. And also for the centerpiece, I included some ornaments, which I had already, and some of the actually the rose gold balls are, and the ivory balls are from Burlington. And this concludes the tour of my Copper and Crystal Christmas Tablescape 2020. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please continue to watch. Again, if you're not a member of my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell twice for future videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Again, thanks for watching and stay blessed.